In this video, I will show you a blood oxygen overview on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. I will show you how to actually add it on your watch, as well as how to enable it so it tracks your oxygen during night. So by default, when you scroll these tiles, you don't see this blood oxygen here. You have to basically scroll till the end till we see these add tiles. Then click that and scroll down till you see blood oxygen basically. Okay, click that. Then we can measure it by simply placing it on hand. And when measuring, make sure it's fairly tight. So we can go back and click measure. So stay still while it measures. Okay, so mine is pretty low actually, so we can basically measure twice to confirm if you see actually raw low reading such as this. So it might be simply a fluke. Then also, if you do get an error where it says it can't measure it, again make sure it's very tight basically when you measure it, and move it around on your arm basically. It's a bit on a different place maybe, so it's kind of fussy really. Also, this blood oxygen doesn't get measured automatically during the day or night, so you have to basically manually press the measure button to actually measure it. Then by night we can actually enable it, so it will measure actually during the night automatically. And to set it up, we have to go to our settings basically, swipe up like this, go to the settings. Okay, Samsung Health. Okay, sleep, and make sure this is enabled. So it will measure your blood oxygen during sleep as well. So this is how I do it on the Fit 3. If it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!